Hey subscribers, we are back with another opportunity. Let's decode a new job role bit by bit. Today we are thrilled to spotlight a great opportunity, the Growth Analyst role at Kerala Ayurveda, a company that blends 5,000 years old wisdom with modern analytics. Odin School is proud to associate with companies from such diverse domains, from healthcare to finance, from tech to manufacturing, and so many more, all united by their deep-rooted work in data science and analytics. Kerala Ayurveda Limited is where centuries-old healing meets the speed of today's world. Founded in 1945, it's one of the pioneers in bringing ancient Ayurvedic science into the modern world. Kerala Ayurveda helps people move from just not sick to truly well, physically, mentally, and emotionally. But what makes it even more exciting today? They're not just promoting wellness, they're scaling it digitally. And to power that growth, they are turning to data. That's right, this legacy brand is now doubling down on data-backed decisions, growth experiments, and analytics-driven strategy. And they are building a team to do just that. So here's where it gets exciting. Kerala Ayurveda is hiring for growth analyst role, and this isn't just another desk job with spreadsheets. We are talking about a full-time position based in Bangalore with a solid CTC of 15 to 17 lakhs per annum for professionals who have 2 to 5 years of experience from any field. So you'll be working at the intersection of tradition and tech, using data to drive real business decisions from customer growth and retention to product insights and performance strategy. So, as a growth analyst at Kerala Ayurveda, your job is to drive smarter growth decisions across the business. Run weekly business reports and monthly business reports. You have to compile, visualize, and present performance deep dives with clear next steps. And the next thing you'll be doing there would be growth opportunity mining. Identify areas for growth in traffic, conversion, ASP, and basket size. Also, experimentation and hypothesis design. Craft tests, measure impact, and scale successful initiatives. You would be analyzing root cause analysis. Diagnose dips via price elasticity, modeling, and competitor analysis. Also, operate in chaos. Work with unstructured data from multiple sources to derive reliable insights. And also, on-time delivery is a must. Meet analytical deadlines and proactively manage risk and blockers. So they are looking for someone who is great at SQL and Python for large-scale data work and also is comfortable with fragmented or unstructured data. A professional who has experience with A/B testing and strong statistical foundation, and who can also communicate clearly and influence decision makers. In short, someone who can turn complex data into clear, actionable strategy. So this isn't just a data job. It's a chance to work in a high growth, high impact environment at a company that blends wellness, tradition, and modern tech. From a CTC of 15 to 17 lakhs per annum to a collaborative, purpose-driven culture. This is a role where you won't just analyze growth, you'll be a part of it. Now let's get into the real deal. How to actually crack this growth analyst role at Kerala Ayurveda. Tip number 1 would be master SQL and Python. This is non-negotiable. You'll be working with large data sets, so your SQL queries should be clean, fast, and effective. Know how to join tables, write sub-queries, and pull exactly what you need. Then use Python for data wrangling, building quick analysis scripts, and automating the boring stuff. The next step would be show you can run A/B tests. This role is heavy on experimentation. You need to understand how to design hypotheses, split tests effectively, and interpret results with statistical clarity. If you have done this before, even on a project or mock use case, talk about it. Mention metrics like conversion rate, uplift, test duration, or sample size. And here's the next tip. Get comfortable with unstructured data. You won't always get clean dashboards and perfect pipelines. Sometimes it's messy, Excel sheets or scattered tracking data. Show that you're not just comfortable but capable of making sense of chaos. Build a portfolio project where you clean real world data, extract insights, and tell a compelling story. Here's tip number 4: speak the language of growth. Remember this. This isn't just data for data's sake. It's about identifying opportunities like more traffic, higher basket size, and better conversion. Use growth terms in your resume and interviews. And if you have worked on campaigns or strategies that led to visible improvements, highlight those wins. Here's the last but important tip: tell stories with data. This one's big. You will be working across teams, including marketing, sales, even leadership. So learn how to explain your findings in simple, impactful terms. Imagine you are presenting to a CEO. Cut the jargon and focus on what the numbers mean for the business. So, are you ready to crack your next big opportunity? Become a part of Kerala Ayurveda's mission to build a healthier, data-driven India. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.